Okay. You do,
Better chicken. Jumping. The jumping.
what are you doing right now? A roundhouse?
Jumping front kick. It's a jumping kick.
Okay, and then do a roundhouse.
Stop. Right out.
Can you do a spinning back kick?
That one I kind of foreign. I haven't done it for a while. It's like 5 years since I've been out.
Try it.
Drop an elbow and then coffee maker.
I forgot that was there. I forgot that was there.
Do that jump kick.
That's my best one. That's a jump.
What else can you do, like kicking wise?
Oh, yes, I know another kick. That's a great one to do. It's a jump to the